up? I'm so happy to be back. Yay! It's been a hot minute. No, I'm just kidding. It's been a while and I'm sorry for that. And yeah, through all this stuff that's been going on, I don't even want to say the name because it's just, I don't know. I just don't like the name personally. But anywho, getting to the title of this video, how to make your water healthy with having frozen fruit in your water, or just makes your water taste better. You're gonna obviously get a natural taste to your water, and it's gonna be more fun because it can cool you off because it's frozen. Or you can add it to your iced tea or your 100% fruit juice, you know, stuff like that. And I will show you guys a clip. I will show you guys a clip right now. Frozen blueberries, yay! I have my frozen blueberries and my frozen strawberries and regular water, so I'm so excited. Plus it's gonna cool me off, and because where I'm at, it's freaking hot, so your girl needs to be cooled off. So this is what it looks like. Really sweeten my water because the fruit obviously is naturally sweet. So yeah, but anyways, thank you guys, and I'm gonna try it right now. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Woo. I feel so healthy. It makes you feel healthy too. Anywho, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to be you, be classy, be positive, love others, especially because, not only because of what we're going through, what this whole world's going through, but in general, love others, be positive. I will see you guys in my next video. I'm so excited. Bye. Deuces. Yum, this is so good.